Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back again today. Today we're doing another pellet test in the new Soul Stove Mesa XL. Today I'd like to do a test of some hardwood pellets. The last video I did was softwood. It was pine. Those were pellets used for heating. I went over to Tractor Supply today and actually thought I bought some heating wood hardwood pellets, but as it turns out, a little deceiving on the website, but their bulk pellets are actually for pellet grills. As you can see here, this is the hardwood pellet from the Cheat River brand, all hardwood. Surprisingly enough, like I said, this is actually for pellet grills, and I paid about $5.75 per bag. They were on special actually. Normal price was around $6.50, so still a heck of a deal for some hardwood pellets. Let's go load this up. We know that it holds about 7 cups. So let me bring the pellets over, load it up with 7, we'll go from there. See what happens. Seven cups in. Let's put the ring on. Again, using alcohol swabs. Just alcohol facial swab. You can use a cotton ball if you want as well. Same thing. Light it up. Put a little extra on there. I like to bury it a little bit. That's going. It don't take much. That's one thing about alcohol, is you cannot really see the flame, but we're going. Alright, just like before, we're going to do a time lapse. I know I get about an hour's worth of burn, so we'll see what happens here. Alright, stay tuned, time lapse coming up. Alright, so here's my thoughts on using the hardwood pellets. They definitely burn better than the softwood, the pine pellets. No doubt about it. Still about the same burn time, about an hour's worth of burn time. And I don't know if it's coming out on the time lapse, but I stirred the pot down there and everything is charcoal. So you get about an hour either way. The hardwood definitely smells better. I don't think it went out as much. I still did have to light it. We've got some windy conditions today that have been causing this to go out, which is pretty expected. It's a pretty small flame. Wind today, I guess, is 10 mile an hour, pretty consistent, with an occasional 20 mile an hour gust. And I could tell it put it right out. We're at the hour-and-a-half mark, and I went ahead and added like 2 handfuls, as you just saw. I don't know if it came out on the time lapse. Everything in there was coals. It's about half full of coals. Added the 2 handfuls, and it did smolder. To be expected, there was no flames left. And then I went ahead and used my zapper to bring it back to life, and instantly caught as soon as that smoke got real heavy. I knew it was going to light. We're about at the 1 hour and 40 minute mark, so plenty of life left in it. So I'm just going to call this video a success. Hardwood pellets are the way to go, and call this video a wrap. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you on the next one.